In the last decade, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, have become a huge market for investors. And although they might seem complicated, this video will help you understand what they are, what you can invest in, and how to pick the best one for you. An ETF is an investment fund made up of stocks from multiple companies. Typically, when you're investing in stocks, you're buying shares in one company, say Tesla. With ETFs, you're able to invest in a collection of companies, sometimes even hundreds at the same time. The idea behind ETFs is to broaden your investment. If stocks in Tesla were to fall, for example, you might not lose as much of your investment because other stocks in your fund have gone up. ETFs can mitigate some investment risk because you're not putting all of your eggs in one basket, but they are by no means a fail-safe. The most popular and well-established ETFs track the major stock market indices, like the S&P 500 or the FTSE 100 in the UK. You can use ETFs to invest in just about anything. It just depends on what you're interested in or what you forecast as a potentially good investment. Sector ETFs cover a range of stocks from different sectors, from agriculture to energy and AI. So if you've got a crazy hunch that tech company will continue to boom, why not invest in a tech ETF? Style or factor-based ETFs can track a collection of companies according to values you prize, such as high revenue, dividend yield, or growth. You can also invest in currencies, commodities like gold and oil, and even tailor your ETFs to track eco-friendly companies. So you can save the world whilst potentially making a shed load of moolah. It's a win-win, and you're welcome, world. ETFs trade just like stocks and can be bought on many of the UK's leading trading platforms. The trick is to find a diverse ETF that stocks will move independently of each other on the stock market, so they won't all go down at once if prices fall in a specific sector. So, for example, if your portfolio largely includes gold stocks, you might consider adding a couple of AI stocks to balance it out, as well as adding a little bit of spice. Not to mention some serious kudos. Gold and robots? Hello? Choosing the right ETF for you comes down to personal circumstance. You need to ask yourself several questions like, how much money can you invest in the stock market? Can you risk losing any of it? And how long can you have the money locked away for? Generally, there are 3 points to consider. Risk. In theory, ETFs are less risky than singular stocks, as your investments are broader and more diverse. ETFs that track major UK or global companies are typically considered to be safer options, but keep in mind any dealings with the stock market still comes with risk. Fees. There are still brokerage fees charged every time you buy or sell, as well as an ETF management fee, which is a percentage of your balance that's charged every year. Performance. Check how your potential ETF performs over a decent period to assess how great an investment it might be. For more information on ETFs, head to finder.com. Links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like or hit the subscribe button just here. And as always, thanks for watching.